Thanks for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today we are taking a closer look at a powerhouse in the American healthcare landscape, Medline Industries. Widely recognized as the #1 medical surgical distributor in the United States, Medline has a breadth and presence that is unmatched. The company supports the entire spectrum of care, from large hospitals and ambulatory centers to physician groups and home care providers. Its scale is staggering, with a portfolio that exceeds 300,000 SKUs. This logistical dominance is supported by over 29 million square feet of warehousing space, enabling a national next-day distribution footprint that reaches the vast majority of care sites across the country. What truly sets Medline apart is its dual role as both a distributor and a manufacturer. Beyond distributing thousands of third-party brands, the company produces its own sizable lines of Medline brand consumables. This includes essential items like gloves, drapes, and custom procedure trays and kits. This vertical integration provides significant pricing leverage and, crucially, enhances supply chain resilience, a lesson underscored in recent years. This end-to-end capability, pairing manufacturer breadth with prime vendor-style distribution, makes Medline the first call for U.S. med-surg buyers, from integrated delivery networks to large post-acute chains. This market leadership has also captured the attention of the financial world. Medline is currently in the spotlight for a high-profile IPO process planned for 2025. According to coverage from major outlets like Reuters and Barron's, Medline is positioned to be the largest U.S. listing of the year. The company is reportedly targeting a raise of roughly $5 billion, with significant momentum building for a mid-2025 offering. This move underscores the immense value and confidence investors have in Medline's established position, robust logistics, and its integrated clinical and educational services that are deeply embedded with its provider partners. If your organization is seeking to understand or enter complex markets, Pure Global can help. We provide strategic guidance and local representation to access over 30 countries. To learn more about our AI-powered regulatory tools and extensive product database, please check the description for a link. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.